السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم النهاردة مستر علي من قسم الماس. Today we will study lesson 3 in unit 2 by the main title equations, and this lesson is the lastest lesson in this unit. Firstly, we will forming equation تكوين الإيكويشن. Forming equation number 1, the first exercise complete. Number 1, variable expression and convert to simple expression. Number 1, as an example, adding 3 to what? To a number produced 11. X plus 3 equal 11. Number 2, adding 7 to a number produced 15. Adding 7 to what? To a number called X, called Y, called Z. Any sample. X plus 7, this equal 15. Y plus 7 equal 15. Alright. Number 3, the third exercise, or number 2, subtracting 2 from what? From a number produced 33. If a number minus 2 equal 33. Z minus 2 equal 33. Exercise number 3, adding 5 to what? To the double of a number, 2x, 2y, 2z, produced 17. This equal 2x plus 5 equal 17. Subtracting 9 from what? From the double of a number, this produced 23. يبقى 2y subtracting 9, 2y minus 9, this is get 23. Number 2, another exercise. So here saved LE14. She bought 3 copybooks with the price of LEX for each. Each copy equal LEX, and LE remaindered with her. Choose a suitable equation for this situation. We try to calculate the total price of the copybooks. The price of each one equal X, and she put 3. We put X and another X and another X. The total price of 3 copybooks equal 3X. 3X and the remainder equal 8. 3X plus 8, this equals the total amount of money she was have, 14. Then the relation equal 3x for the sum of total price of 3 copies plus the remainder with here, this equal all money with her. The second one, translate each variable statement into an equation. A number as x if added to 17, the sum is 28. X plus 17 equal 28. Number 2, if 9 is subtracted from a number will subtract 9, then the result 23. Y minus 9 equal 23. If 5 is subtracted from 3 times a number. If 5 is subtracted from 3 times a number, then the result is 16, sorry. يبقى 3 times a number 3x minus 5 equals 16. 3z minus 5 equals 16. X, Y, Z, any symbol, don't worry. Now we're solving equation. You must know how to solve equation, how to find the value of x. Look with me and focus and follow me step by step. Number 1, x plus 2 equal 8. If we put x 6, 6 plus 2 is equal 8. X plus 2, x plus 2 is equal 8. Then x equal 6. Show the steps. Show the steps. In solution, x plus 2 equal 8. Then we take plus 2 and write it in another side. Another side, go after the equal sign and change it from plus 2 to minus 2. Then the second step, x equal 8 minus 2. That is to say x equal 6. By these steps we solve the equation and find the value of x. We will go to another example. Example number 2, x minus 1 equal 8. We will take minus 1 and go to another side and write it plus 1. Solution, x minus 1 equal 8. Take minus 1 and write it in another side in the form plus 1. We get x equal 8 plus 1, that is to say x equal 9, and by these steps we will find the value of x and solving equation. Exercise number 3, 2 times x, 2 times x, 2x is 2 times x. In the multiply situation we will use divide. Solution, 2x is equal 2 times x. We divided the both two sides by 2. We make divided by the number beside x. Divided over the number beside x. For both sides, for left hand side and right hand side. as the following steps. The following steps: 2 times x divided 2 equal 10, also divided 2. We can cancel 2 with 2. Then we get x equal 10 divided 2 equal 5. That is to say, x equal 5, and by these steps we find the value of x. Another exercise: find the value of x. 1/3 x equals 6. Solution: 1/3 x equals 6. We will multiply 3 4 to both sides. 1/3 x times 3, 1/3 x times 3, and another side 6 times 3. Cancel 3 with 3. Remember 1 times x is equal x, and 3 times 6 equal 18. Find the value of x. 2x minus 3 equals 7. In this case, we note that minus 3 and 2 times x, and we want to find the value of only x. We must remove minus 3 and remove 2, and the remainder x only in the left hand side. Minus 3, we move it first. 2, move it second. In the first step, number 1, we move negative 3 to another side in the form plus 3. We get 2x, 7 plus 3, 2x equal 10. Then we divided 2 for the two both sides. X divided 2 equal x, 10 divided 2 equal 5, and then we solve the equation. Find the value of x. Homework for you. Equation number 1, 3x plus 4 equal 19. In the solution, you write 3x equal 19 minus 4. 3x equal 15, divided 3, then x equal 5. 2x minus 1 equals 17, then 2x equal 17 plus 1, 2x equal 18, divided 2, x equal 9. And you can solve this equation by the same way. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.